Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, just purchased the home and stuff like that. So the upstairs are all carpet, wall to wall. So I want to get rid of the carpet. So I'm gonna be taking out some of the carpet today. Have I done this before? No, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so here. No, pretty sure I've never done this before, but I have a hammer here. I have some what do they call it, pry bar here set. I got this at Walmart. It's like really cheap. I have two of them, but I have the big ones, and I think the big ones will probably damage the baseboard, and I don't want to damage the baseboard. So I went up to Walmart and grabbed this. This was in my tool bag. I have you're gonna need some pliers. Pretty sure you're gonna need more pliers, but I'm still not moving into this house yet. And I have my tool bag over here, and so this was in it. I have some more pliers that's at the storage. We're gonna be getting some of the stuff out of the storage, so I'm gonna see how far this can take me today, and we'll see. You're gonna need some really nice box cutter or whatever they call this, retractable blade, a utility knife. You're gonna need some extra blade because I'm pretty sure the braids might got dull real quick. Now this carpet been probably laying down for 25 years since this house been built. So here I have some N95. I have some goggles because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of dust in it. I have bad allergy. I don't know what's gonna be behind it. So I have all that ready to go. You're gonna need a pair of gloves. These are what I found in my tool bag. These are regular garden gloves, but we're gonna make it work for today because that's what I found. I'm pretty sure there's wires and nails and stuff under here, so you might need some, like, I don't know, more sturdier gloves, or I don't know, hot gloves that stiff stuff won't get through and cut you. And then here I have some knee pads. So this is what I'm going to be working with today, and we're gonna try and see. I don't know, I think this is just base floor under this, but I'm still daydreaming that when I pull it up it'll be some nice hardwood floor. I don't think so, but we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna start off with room number one. I have literally 4 bedrooms to go in a hallway. It's like 1,400 square feet I have to pull up. My friends are coming over to help me on Sunday, so I'm gonna start the thing today or the job today before I go to work. Okay, all right, so here we go. I'm gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see what's under here. Try to see what's under here. I'm happy I didn't pay anyone to do this. I kid you not. In real time. This is like 10 minutes. Yeah. I'm just grateful I didn't pay anybody. It's just super easy. All right, so now that I pull it up to this far, I'm gonna go ahead right out front to the door part here. Let me move this camera back a little. So guys, at this point, what I'm doing, I'm using some painter's tape to hold that in place. Painter's tape is not gonna really hold it, but that's what I have in the house right now. So I'm using that to hold it so I could just get it down the stairs in one piece. All right. If you made it this far throughout the video, I know you're probably saying, why didn't you just cut it up in pieces and pull it out piece by piece? Yes, that's an option. It's probably easier to do it that way. However, I did not have a problem rolling this big piece of carpet, as you guys can see. Did not have a problem. And I'm going to be repurposing the carpet, so that's why I did not cut the carpet. Guys, and that's just the happy look on my face. Yes, I know I was talking to you guys here, but I had to, like, the video was gonna be too long, so I sped it up and I just muted. So I'm doing the voiceover, and all I'm saying is that my hair is a hot mess and I'm very proud. So now we're on to the next step, where I'm pulling up that cushion from underneath the carpet, and as you can see there, I'm using the pliers to rip the staple out. And yes, I know you guys have been waiting for this moment to find out if it's hardwood floor or not. It does look like hardwood floor, but it's not. It's plywood. So we're just ripping those out with the pliers, and we're going to go ahead and use that pry bar and a hammer and get rid of those end trims, okay? So that's all I'm doing. If you made it this far throughout the video, I'm sure you like what you're seeing here. You like what you're watching. And if you like what you're watching, why don't you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Yeah, that red button. Hit that red button and turn it gray. Yeah. Once you do so, also make sure you hit that notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Also, make sure you just give this video a like, guys. It doesn't cost you anything to do so. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. So once I was done ripping up the padding off the floor, I went ahead and I rolled it up, stuff it up, shove it in an industrial heavy duty garbage bag. And guys, I'm wearing a long sleeve in here because you know what? I don't know what's those stuff underneath the padding. I'm assuming it's just mice. But yes, I have the long sleeve on so nothing will like itch my skin or irritate my skin there. It's hot as hell in there. But yeah, all right. So once I was done sweeping and cleaning up those dusts, I went ahead and I'm using my pry bar and the hammer, and I am just slowly knocking underneath the nails that hold these trims down that they staple the carpet to or nail the carpet to. So but you want to be careful, guys, because those things are like filled with nails, so you want to be careful. Like I said, I'm wearing gloves, and those gloves are not wired or metal proof or whatever. They're regular garden gloves, so you want to be careful to make sure you don't poke yourself or hurt yourself doing that. But that's all I'm doing right there. So guys, I have come to find out that it was way easier to use the pry bar and just like kind of like shove that underneath those tack or those staple, boom, and it was out. I mean, the correct way to do is to use what do they call this thing, a pliers or something like that, but man, that was taking too long, so I learned how to use that pry bar and boom boom boom, and it's up just like that. 1 2 3. That can't get any easier, guys. Give it a shot. So, dang. My hair is a mess, but it's all good. So, we have complete the floor. This is what it looks like. Took me only 2 hours, guys. 2 hours to get it all out. No, I gotta get a smaller broom because I ain't got no broom over here. And this is what I found in the garage from the sellers. So, all the staples are out and all those stuff. What's this? Oh, we got 2 staples there. So here I am, guys. I'm trying to break these up so they could fit in the garbage bag. Again, you want to be careful. These has nail in it, but I'm just holding it carefully at the side that has no nails, and I'm just putting in the bag. Okay, so and just in case you are one of those persons who's saying there's a lot of holes or screws that or staples that she missed or tack that she misses, no, those are screws. Those little black dots that you're looking at, there are screws, and that's what they use to hold down the plywood to the flooring. Okay. If you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video to your friends and family, this way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.